Now, law students from 8 universities in Africa participated last week in a moot court competition here in Washington. They appeared before a simulated International Court of Justice. One of the African teams came from Mukono, Uganda. VOA's Paul Ndiho has more with the help from the students' mobile phone video.
The Uganda Christian University team and students from some 500 other law schools from around the world took part in the Jessup International Law Moot Court competition. Each team came ready to argue both sides of their assigned case. Law school professor Brian Dennison led the Ugandan team.
We really wanted people that were good writers, would get things done, and would understand the concepts. So we chose these students based on their academic performance, their ability to write, their diligence, and also their ability to speak in public and in class.
The Jessup Court is the most prestigious moot court competition in the world, focusing on public international law issues. The annual competition started in 1959. Brian Gumisiriza is a fourth-year law student at Uganda Christian University.
It's a great opportunity, great learning opportunity, great career opportunity for learning about international law.
Sherman and Sterling here in Washington and other international law firms sponsored the competition. Another fourth-year Ugandan student, Jones Ahewa, says more African universities should participate so their law students can interact with people from other countries.
Participating in the competition itself has inspired me more than I already was, and it has made me think about more options that come with international law.
Yet another Ugandan student, Daphne Ted Nyanduli, points out with pride that more women than men took part in this year's competition.
Women have proved to be a challenge to the men. They have come up to become more audible, and they have gotten the gist of the whole international law concept. More than the men, the teams that I have met, it is more of the women who are doing better than the men.
None of the African students made it to the finals. But for the Ugandan students, they say it still was the opportunity of a lifetime. Paul Ndiho, VOA News.